The Bitcoin consolidation is intensifying by the day. Is this going to wind up being a bear flag? Is this going to wind up resolving to the upside? Right now, it seems to me that the market is split. Half of traders are bearish, half of traders are bullish. Which way is this possibly going to break? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. So let's start out with the macro here, and then obviously we'll get into bigger picture. Right off the bat, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that we've been following this potential bear flag pattern formation here. Now, I'm not saying that this has a high probability to play out. I'm just pointing out that this is here, right? If this were to wind up breaking down and we did see an absolutely catastrophic debacle to the downside, it really wouldn't surprise me at all, as we are right now still in a downtrend until proven otherwise. And right now with this consolidation, per classical technical analysis theory, when you're seeing a consolidation after a sick move to the downside, until proven otherwise, the probability remains higher for continued movement to the downside rather than for it to reverse to the upside. Let's get this crypto. Now, I'm not saying that I'm not seeing any type of bullish development here. In fact, I am. And if you did watch my last stream, then you would know what I'm talking about. But the possible continuation to the downside is a reality here. And I believe that many market participants are neglecting the fact here that we are still in a bearish downtrend until proven otherwise. And what I want to do now is pull up an indicator that I don't think gets enough respect from a macro viewpoint in this space. Let's get into that right now. The indicator we're going to focus on here is the true strength indicator. And as you can see here, the true strength index indicator is a momentum oscillator designed to detect, confirm, or visualize the strength of a trend. So to keep things simple, think of the blue line as bullish and the red line as bearish, and then this dotted white line here at the zero, anything above there is showing bullish momentum, anything below there is showing bearish momentum, so just keep this in mind moving forward. Now let's switch over to the monthly time frame here for Bitcoin, and I just want you guys to see what's happened here from a macro perspective. All right, we had a bullish cross right back here in 2016, right? We're above the zero line, bullish momentum, and the blue line crossed above the red, and both lines are tilted upwards. I mean, that is a bullish sign there, and I just want you all to see what happened at that moment. It was the start of the massive 2017 bull run. Let's get this crypto. Now, if we fast forward here, we didn't get a bullish cross again all the way until July of 2020. And folks, right there, sure, it wasn't the absolute bottom, but it did signal a nice potential long position right before this absolutely explosive rip up towards 69,000. Let's get this crypto. So the true strength indicator on the monthly time frame, when we've seen these bullish crosses, nice things have happened. When we've seen bearish crosses like this one right here, bad things have happened, right? That's twice now, ladies and gentlemen, that we have seen bad things happen after a bearish cross on the monthly. Let's go back to the weekly here. As you can see, the weekly has way more crosses than we have on the monthly chart, right? It's happening what seems like all the time. I mean, mind you, it's not, but compared to the monthly chart, that's what it seems like. Now, look, all the way back up here at the first major top on this bull cycle, we had the bearish cross come in. It called that first top, okay? Then we wound up having actually a bullish cross on this run to the upside. But mind you, it was short-lived. We had the bearish cross once again right on this downturn here. And right now, I mean, we're still on a downward sloping trajectory, right? Just connect the highs here and connect the lows. Obviously, ladies and gentlemen, we are still in a downtrend until proven otherwise on the TSI. Now, keep in mind as well, we are still below this dashed dotted line, right? So that's bearish momentum here. But what I'd like you to pay attention to here is this pattern. To me, folks, this looks like a classic falling wedge. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, which if you're not already, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for the algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up. And then make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all. This is the most realistic and most must-see Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. So do yourself a favor, subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the channel. You would know that falling wedges can actually be bullish patterns if the price action can break above the downward sloping line of resistance. Let's get this crypto. So there is that going for it, right? This pattern could possibly wind up breaking back above this dashed dotted line because we still are in bearish territory underneath it right now. And if we are able to see it break back above, not only would it possibly break out of this downward sloping resistance line, but then it could also break above that zero line, and we could start to see things turn back around in the right direction. But right now, folks, what I'm stating is that if we take a look back in history throughout time, it's been a pretty dangerous area for Bitcoin when we see the weekly TSI underneath this zero dashed dotted line, right? And what I mean by that, just take a look here, folks. This first cross back in 2014, it came right about there below the zero line, okay? Led to further downside action after a rise, of course, but ultimately from a macro perspective, it led to further downside action. Here we go again, right here, ladies and gentlemen, another cross, right? Led to ultimately further downside action. Fast forward into 2018, you can see we had our cross right here. Obviously led to a much further downside action. Then over here again in 2019, crossed right here, obviously led to a nasty capitulatory event. And here we are in the current day, ladies and gentlemen, right? We had the cross right here. I mean, right at the bottom. So this was a nasty fake out as the signal came in and whoopsies, Bitcoin ripped for over 100% to the upside. But now we're in an interesting spot because it has fallen essentially right back to the spot which we had the signal come in the first time. Now we're below here, right? So judging from the past, of course, I mean, past performance does not indicate future results, but it's been pretty risky for Bitcoin underneath that zero dotted line. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now you've seen why Bitcoin is essentially risky underneath this zero line, right? But how about when we see it climb back above the zero line? Right here, back in 2015, it signaled the bottom of the bear market. If we fast forward here into 2019, you can see here that it did essentially signal that this bottom was in, and it went all the way up back towards 14,000. If we fast forward again, sure, we had a fake out here in 2020, but ultimately the second cross did send us on our immaculate bull run up above 60,000. And then we had a little weird fake out spot here, ladies and gentlemen, where it dropped below zero and then very, very quickly recovered and bounced back above zero. So, I mean, technically, yes, it did cross above there. I'm not putting too much weight on this one, but hey, it did come in right around the bottom of that sick dump for a move of basically over 100% to the upside. Right now, we're still below the line, but if we do happen to see the price action resolve to the upside here, break out of this pennant to the upside, possibly get above this resistance line at about 46,000, the red line there, and break out of this possible falling wedge bullish pattern formation, right? And get a bullish twist and get above the zero. I hope you guys understand why I'm showing this, is that right now, for me, with Bitcoin still in bearish posture here, right? Flagpole down, possibly creating a flag now before another flagpole to the downside, still in a downtrend, and all we're doing is consolidating now for several months in a row. Bitcoin, per the True Strength Index indicator, in my opinion, is still in highly risky bearish territory. But if we are to see things change here, historically, things have fared well for the Bitcoin price after seeing all of those bullish crosses and getting back above the zero dotted line. Let's get this crypto. So there's the glimmer of hope for the Moon Boys. That is what I would like to see to possibly confirm that this is in fact a bottom and that we could be moving much higher. Right now, until proven otherwise, obviously, ladies and gentlemen, as I have stated over and over again throughout this stream, to me, we're still, until proven otherwise, in a bearish either correction, pullback, however you'd like to look at it. We could possibly be forming a bear flag here. We still have the possibility for a trap door to occur here down between 30 and 28K. As you can see, if we lose support here, we don't have much historic price action in this range here from about 20,000 up to about 28,000, which theoretically could mean that if we lose support at the 28K range, that it could be a straight line down, essentially, right? Down towards 20,000 flat. So keep your eyes on this one, folks. Obviously, right now, I'm just awaiting like a ninja in the shadows, preparing to strike when I see that potential opportunity arise. Of course, I will be keeping you all exclusively updated in VIP with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, real-time strategy ideas, real-time potential entry ideas, real-time potential take profit ideas, everything just like that around the clock as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you are not already in my VIP, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And on that note, folks, if you did enjoy here today, just leave a thumbs up on the video for the algorithm. Thank you for that thumbs up. And if you're brand new, don't miss any more of the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all. I will see you on the next one. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, the dawn has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. Same thing goes for trying to contact me directly on Telegram. If you type in Crypto Kirby in the search bar, you're going to get all fake results. It's insane. The only way to actually get in contact with me directly is by typing in your web browser t.me/CryptoKirby or in the Telegram search bar t.me/CryptoKirby and making sure that the account you're speaking with is @CryptoKirby. If you click on the account and hit view profile and the handle is anything other than @CryptoKirby, you are not talking to me. You are talking to a fake imposter. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.